Wilson.
Good morning, Doctor.
Hi, I'm Dr. Asha.
Good morning.
I was asked to examine your chest. Is that okay?
Yes, quite.
Right.
Carry on, Doctor.
Let me just have a look at you first. Okay, and let's just start with your hands. If you just put them right in front of you, and let me have a look. Would you mind flipping them over? Let's just have a feel of your pulse, okay? Let's have a feel of both of them. Do you have any pain in your shoulder?
Yes, arthritis.
Okay. Would that
That's why I can't pick it up very far.
right? Would that be all right if
Yes,
I lifted it up?
If, you'll have to push it up.
If it causes you any
Because
pain?
remember I play golf, so I
Right.
managed to get it up.
So I'm going to just let me do the
Yeah,
movement,
you do
okay?
whatever you want.
That's excellent, thank you. Okay, I'll just have a look at your eyes. Look up for me.
Blue.
Okay, excellent. Would you mind opening your eyes, your mouth, and stick your tongue out, and put the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. That's it, excellent. Well done. Okay, now relax your neck, and if you could look that way for me, and relax your neck, okay? Okay, that's excellent. And I'm just going to have a feel on your chest,
Yes.
okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, I just want to have a listen to your heart. Would that be all right?
Doctor, yes. You know what to expect. You've done this enough times.
Take a deep breath for me, and all the way out, and hold it there. Okay, that's excellent. And I want to listen to your neck. Is that okay?
Yeah.
If you just lift your chin up and hold your breath when you're ready.
Hold my breath.
Hold your breath when you're ready. That's absolutely fine, thank you. I would like to listen to the bottom of your lungs, so if you could sit up for me. Deep breath, and out, and out, and one more time, and out, and one more time. Excellent. Do you want to lie back again? And let's just have a look at your ankles, is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you have any pain in there?
No pain whatsoever.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, sir.